Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's go here into App Tray and open your contacts app right over here. And as you just seen, I copied all the contacts from my SIM card. They're still on the SIM card. As you can see, they have this kind of green logo next to it. So that means that they're all on the SIM card apart from, well, I guess this isn't really a contact, it's set up my profile. So yeah, everything is still on the SIM card. But if you want to import it so you can take out the SIM card and still have contacts on your phone, I'm gonna go into the three dots and settings, and here you'll find import, export, and copy contacts from. So we have all our contacts on the SIM card, so let's choose that. Tap on next. Now right now it only shows a phone, but if you were log into Google, so if you have like Google account added, it will also show up here, so you can sync it there instead of to the phone. So you can choose with either one of those. I'm gonna select phone because I don't really have any other option anyway. So let's tap on next, and from here you simply want to tap on the contacts that you wish to import. Now if you want to import all of them, you can just tap the button right here, that squarish thing, and it selects all the contacts at once. And from there, tap on the check mark, and your contacts have been imported. And you can see it by the fact that now not every contact has this green icon of the SIM card. So we can see these two do, the ones below do not. So the ones without any kind of SIM logo are the ones that are all on your phone. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.